10 years ago, they were children, and a water crisis was beginning in their hometown that would shape their lives. Now, as young adults, they have learned the power of their voices and the difference they can make in their own community. Our Tiffany Maddox joining us now with the story of two organizations that are inspiring those who grew up during the water crisis to share those stories and help to spark change. Tiffany?
Angie, both programs are creating young Flint change makers, and Flint's Youth Justice League and Public Health Youth Academy, or FIA's founders tell me the goal is to open the eyes of youth to many possibilities.
I think that they are an example that we are more than just the water that we drink.
Young people making a difference through leadership. Flint's Public Health Youth Academy and Youth Justice League both giving a youth's perspective on how they feel about the water crisis.
I meet people all the time and they tell me, when they hear from Flint, the first thing is how's the water, right? So it's really it's actually not attacking these people for ignorance. Is more educating them on the different situations.
And every single time I mention to someone that I'm from Flint, the first thing that they say is, how's the water? It was a very traumatizing thing to experience.
Cameron Motley and Everett Graham both participate with FIA, or the Youth Justice League. They say it's helped them advocate for their city as they've now entered college.
Being able to have that voice or be put on a platform to have that voice to be able to express our concerns.
At the time of the water crisis, I was like 8 years old, so I really didn't know what was going on. And just joining FIA, it not only let me know that I had a voice, but it also let me know what I could do with my voice.
These young people have done dozens of studies, dozens of projects, dozens of initiatives.
Like talking to Flint City leaders about the state of the water crisis, talking about mental health and gun violence, and even going out in communities, testing residents' water quality and learning all about lead. Both programs introducing youth to the world of public health.
Public health means that if you have a lack of support in community, it means that if you are vulnerable to violence, if you don't have access to food, public health means a lot of different things.
Now 10 years later, Motley and Graham are motivated to make sure younger generations and others continue the work to spread awareness to help fix Flint's ongoing issues.
We're a strong community and we're going to keep, fighting, we're going to keep working. And, the more people that we can get to join us in that, the better.
Now, both programs are affiliated with Michigan State University's Charles Stewart Mott Department of Public Health. For ABC 12 News, I'm Tiffany Maddox.